beyond my expectations, like growth and community. I think I became so much more confident in my ability to teach, so that was like one of my main intentions coming here, and also in myself. Like from the beginning I was like nervous, and you know, I think that I just grew, like my confidence really grew. The sense of community here, like it's all love and support, and there's always someone to help you if you need a hand, and the friendships that you'll make here you will just carry them on into the rest of your life.